how to link your GitHub account to Visual Studio Code to be able to push or upload your project or your code changes to your GitHub. First, open up Visual Studio Code, click on the settings icon at the bottom left side, and then click on settings. And from here, you want to search for backup and sync settings. You can click on the bottom of the top here, and then you want to click on the sign in button, and then choose sign in with GitHub. And this should open up a page to authorize your GitHub account. So click on continue, and then click on authorize Visual Studio Code. And this should basically redirect you to Visual Studio. Then click on allow, and click on continue again and authorize it. And it should ask you for your authenticator code if you have it set up. And once it redirects you back, you should see that your GitHub account is actually linked. Now, once it's linked, you want to click on the extensions button on the left side and then search for GitHub and look for GitHub pull requests. So for example, this one right here, which is recommended. You can also install other extensions if you want to, but this is pretty easy. Click on it and just click on install, and it's easier to use. And another icon should appear here, which is the GitHub icon, and this extension should basically help you manage your code, push and pull requests and stuff like that. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.